Welcome to the Wild Game Recipes. Today we're making venison meatloaf with herb crust. This recipe takes 20 minutes to prep and 1 hour to cook. Serves 6 to 8 and is medium difficulty. Ingredients: 2 pounds ground venison, ½ pound ground pork, 1 cup breadcrumbs, ½ cup milk, 1 onion, 2 eggs, 3 cloves, garlic, 2 tablespoons Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, ½ teaspoons black pepper, ½ cup breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup fresh parsley, 2 tablespoons fresh thyme, 2 tablespoons olive oil, and 1 teaspoon garlic powder. Step 1. Preparation. Soak breadcrumbs in milk for 5 minutes until soft. Step 2. Mixing. Soak breadcrumbs in milk. Combine ground meats, soaked breadcrumbs, onion, eggs, garlic, Worcestershire, salt, and pepper. Mix gently, don't overwork. Step 3. Shaping. Form into loaf shape on rimmed baking sheet lined with parchment. Step 4. Initial baking. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. Step 5. Crust preparation. Combine herb crust ingredients. Step 6. Finishing. Top meatloaf with herb mixture and bake 15 minutes more until internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 7. Resting. Let rest 10 minutes before slicing. And that's how you make venison meatloaf with herb crust. Get this recipe and 400 more in the Wild Game Recipes app on the App Store. For more recipes, visit thewildgamerecipes.com.